Hi guys, so a few weeks earlier I thought to make a new game and upload it on Playstore. So as I need to make a new game, I started a new Unity project and added a blue boy. And then I also made a arrow kind of thing in Krita or budget Photoshop. Okay, I know that it doesn't look good, but trust me, after adding post-processing, it will. So now I want my player to rotate towards my mouse, and boom, here you go, it's working after doing some programming. So now I want my player to do pew pew at enemies whenever I click on the left mouse button.
And yes,
Okay, we'll fix that.
and there you go.
No joke this time.
This is what you want to write. So now currently if I shoot any projectiles, it just goes out to the void. But if I leave that like that,
Your phone will die. So I need to do something about that.
so I added some invisible box which contains box collider. You can't see it because the sprite render is off. Whenever the projectiles collide with this, they get destroyed. For example, so now as all the basic movement is
Done.
we need to add some enemies to make the game a little bit playable. And then after doing some programming,
Here you go.
Yeah. I'll fix that.
And there you go.
Oh no. Oh, by the way, did I forget to mention that the game is available now on Play Store named Neurofluid. You can just click in the link in the description or go to Play Store and search it by the name TheCodingKey or Neurofluid, and make sure to download it, guys, and also give your feedback in the YouTube comment section or the Neurofluid Play Store comment section. Thank you.
Make sure to download.
okay, so then I added some post processing to make the game look a little bit good.
And it's looking much better now.
Even I added a text which is not looking good, so I should do something about that now. So I went to Google Fonts and I got this font, link in description. So if you like something, you just... And there you can see. Then I added a slider so that whenever the enemy collides with a player, the slider just increases, meaning the infection goes up. Yes, this game is about infection.
So then after mashing my head on the keyboard for 1,000 times,
Here it's working.
So now I want to add a thing where whenever you click on the left mouse button, the player size should become big.
Nice.
So then after doing a little bit of programming for that, it's not so tough.
here you can see it working. As you can see it, it's just scaling up.
So then after doing some programming
Again?
so now the game is kind of boring with only enemies. So we need to add some of that special items.
Nice.
So I added a green boy, and which spawns very rare. Whenever it spawns, the slider gets -10, meaning your infection decreases. Simple, right? Then after doing some programming, then I did some programming. And then I also added this thing where the green boys spawns only at these time ranges. As you can see, it starts at 30 and 50 and 50 at 30. Basically it's fully randomized. And we need to just wait for the green boy to spawn right now. The green boy will spawn at somewhere at 30 seconds. So fast forward.
Oh, hello there!
And there you go. And yeah, it decreases. So then I also added another special item, which is a yellow boy. Basically, whenever the yellow boy collides with the player,
The slider is fully at empty or at 0. Means there's no infection at all.
so now again we have to wait for the yellow boy to come. It's also fully randomized. And we got a green one. Again a green one.
And there you go.
The slider came at 0 when the yellow boy came and collided with the player. Yeah, that's working. So when the slider goes 100, which means the player should get die,
Or you're out of the game.
we need to do something about that. So my idea is simple: to add some particles and make the player scale up a little bit, and also change the player color into red.
Yeah.
That suits perfectly to the game.
Or not. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna just implement it.
And there you go. We need to again wait for it to go to 100.
And boom. Oh my god. That's too much of particles, but it's okay. I'll fix that. Going on.
So then I added a box collider near the player, which will get activate whenever the slider goes 100. Because to solve this, the red boys just go on score. So now the background of the game is kind of looking bland with that black color thingy. So we need to add some particle system for that.
Obviously, particle system is the best.
So then I started playing around with the particle system. So now we have completed all the basic movements, special item, and all the other things a game needs. But we have not completed one thing, which is game loop. So we need to complete the game, we need to add a game loop, which I did, but I didn't show you the recordings. And then I also worked on a simple main menu. As you can see, quit, help, shop, play, and in which quit, play. Then I also made a help scene, which is tutorial, and as you can see, nothing is typed in there, but I will work on that a little bit. But the scroll bar and all the things are working properly. So then I wrote some tutorial things in Notepad, #old. And here you can see it in Unity. And then I changed the font and the color, and
It's looking pretty much good, right?
here you can see it working, as you can see, and it will work with touch too.
So the game is actually done, guys, but I don't want to show you guys and show you guys through every feature and make the game boring. So you guys can download it and check it out on Play Store. Actually, basically, I want to keep the suspense, right? So what you need to do is you can just go ahead, download on Play Store, and you can find out. And let me say with the suspense, there are a lot of changes in the game, and there's also a major change.
Okay, so as we have completed the game, now we need to make the
Icons and trailer and all those things. And by the way, the
trailer link is in description. I have uploaded, and this is how the edit looks. I took total of 10 hours to make this.
roll the trailer.
And then I made some icons and graphic photos, basically for something called
ASO, I don't know, but that's something about the Google page optimization, I guess. So I made some icons, photos, and you can see it on the screen.
So then I gave the game for review to the Play Store and it's now uploaded.
I mean, publish.
You can just type Neurofluid and you will get this icon, or you can also type my YouTube channel name, The Coding Key, and yep. Link in description.
But download it now.
So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to download it and bye.